Here is my audience for the final presentation of the semester. Welcome everyone today, and thank you for taking time out of your very, very busy lives to listen to my very pressing words. The global climate is suffering the world over due to a major lack of foresight on our part. The planet is becoming more toxic every day, and we need to act now before we lose everything. Renewable clean energies are a possibility in every corner of the globe, and with your help, we can make a change. I'm here today to show you how that is in fact feasible. To some, it may seem like a pipe dream, but the constantly evolving technologies that have made the ability to use renewable energies a real possibility for today's world. Since technically all currently used energy sources are renewable, some try to argue that fossil fuels are renewable energy. The definition of renewable energy given in an article by the website eesi.org, renewable energy is derived from resources that are replenished naturally on a human timescale. Since it takes millions of years for fossil fuels to form, they are not a viable option for humanity to use any longer. The major types of renewable energies used right now in the U.S. are biomass, which is defined as wood or wood waste, municipal solid waste, landfill gas and biogas, ethanol and biodiesel, as well as hydropower, geothermal, wind, and solar. While not all forms of renewable energy are created equal, and not all methods are feasible everywhere, there's always a few options available, regardless of geographical location. Last year, 11% of the U.S.'s energy consumption was acquired from renewable energy sources. The list of sources and stats were acquired from EIA.gov. It is in the best interest of our societies across the globe, we should investigate what the most cost-effective and non-limiting renewable energy source for each geographical location individually. While hydropower is a very easy energy source to acquire in places that are near great flowing bodies of water, such as Milwaukee, it is next to impossible for areas like Death Valley. For this reason, different sources must be harnessed to best suit the region's climate and ecosystem. It is certain that an immediate shift from fossil fuels to renewable sources in all parts of the country, let alone the world, is a very tall order. But once the ball gets rolling in the right direction, the cost of startup will decrease as methods of delivery continue to grow. According to an article written by Katie Schneer for EESI.org, the House Committee of Energy and Commerce met on July 24, 2019, to discuss pathways to decarbonize the U.S. economy. All four experts observed while technology already exists to reduce carbon emissions, summoning the political will to invest in these carbon capturing and renewable energy innovations remains a critical obstacle to decarbonization. During the conference, several committee members raised the concern that decarbonization might negatively impact the economy by increasing the cost of energy. However, Dr. Rachel Cletus, Policy Director of the Climate and Energy Program at the Union of Concerned Scientists, said that embracing a clean energy future would be a boon for the economy. Dr. Carl Hosker, Senior Fellow of the Climate Program at the World Resources Institute, further emphasized that national investment in a broad portfolio of decarbonization technologies would strengthen the economy by creating new industries and professional expertise that can be exported to the rest of the world. It may not be the most cost-effective thing right now, but by pushing more and more into the world of renewable energy for our everyday consumption, new and cheaper methods will be created by the ingenuity of mankind. By doing so, we will be leaving a place for future generations to thrive and reach newer heights for humanity. Thank you for your attention today, and I hope everyone will think about the possibilities that surround them.